Today, we've compiled an array of gadgets set to satisfy your tech cravings. Whether you're in need of a high-tech notebook or a car kit with all the fixings, we've got you covered. Plus, a whole lot more. Let's get into it. The remarkable Paper Pro isn't just another tablet. It's like your favorite notebook got a high-tech upgrade. For the first time, you can jot down notes, sketch, and read in color on a paper-like display that actually feels like writing on real paper. The 11.8-inch screen is big but ultra-slim, so it's easy to carry. Also, there's no eye-straining glare, whether you're in bright sunlight or curled up in the dark with the adjustable reading light. The included Marker Plus pen is smooth, responsive, and even has a built-in eraser, because mistakes happen. Organizing is a breeze, with folders, tags, and even handwriting to text conversion. No distractions, no clutter. Just you, your ideas, and the most natural digital writing experience out there. Ever wish you had one magic button for everything on your computer? The Elgato Stream Deck might be just what you need. This little gadget lets you control your stream like a pro with a single tap. Go live, switch scenes, change cameras, and even tweak your lights and sound. But it's not only for streaming. It helps you breeze through emails, jump between apps, and even handle conference calls. With 15 customizable buttons, you can set up cool combos that do lots of tasks at once, and switch between different profiles for games, projects, or everyday tasks. Plus, you can add your own icons and images to make it truly yours. It's simple, fun, and makes your digital life a whole lot easier. The Bayu car kit is like the Swiss Army knife of car gadgets, except instead of a tiny pair of scissors, you get a power bank, car washer, vacuum, tire inflator, and a flashlight that could probably signal aliens. The power bank? A massive 19,200 mAh battery, wireless charging, and more ports than an actual airport. The car washer blasts out 200 psi of cleaning power, lasts 40 minutes, and comes with enough nozzles to make a garden hose jealous. The vacuum? 19,000 PA suction, basically a black hole for dirt. The tire inflator pumps up everything from bike tires to off-road beasts and auto stops when it's done. And the flashlight? 1,600 lumens with 5 modes, including an SOS signal. If your car had a wish list, this would be on it. If you've ever wished your home had a turbo mode for power, the Anker Solix F3800 might be your new best friend. With 3.84 kilowatt hours of juice, it'll keep your essentials running for a day. But if that's not enough, stack on extra battery packs until you hit a massive 26.9 kilowatt hours. And if you need more, you can double up and go full apocalypse proof. Running a power-hungry dryer? No problem. This beast cranks out 6,000 watts, or 12,000 watts if you daisy chain too. Charging an EV? Just plug it in, no extra gizmos needed. RV life? It's got you covered. Built to last over a decade with rock-solid components, it even lets you micromanage power through the Anker app. Basically, it's the backup plan you never knew you needed until the lights go out. Ever fought with a mic that picks up more background noise than your actual voice? Well, the Hollyland Lark M1 might just be your new best friend. This tiny champ has a smart noise-cancelling chip that keeps your audio crisp without the extra chaos. And when I say tiny, I mean really tiny. Lighter than a few sheets of paper, so you'll forget you're even wearing it. Battery? Solid 8 hours, plus you can charge while using it. Range? A whopping 656 feet. It even plays nice with cameras, phones, and laptops. Honestly, for its size, this thing punches way above its weight. If you're into cool, mecha-inspired gear, the Sonkoloro G-Cube AirPods Pro case might just be your next obsession. Designed for AirPods Pro 1st and 2nd gen, it's the kind of case that grabs attention with its slick, futuristic style. It's not just a pretty face though, it's got a magnetic snap lock that's way more convenient than those old flip covers. And it also keeps your AirPods safe and sound. And if you're prone to losing things in the dark, this case has you back with its glow-in-the-dark feature. Add in a lanyard for extra security, and you've got yourself a stylish, practical piece of gear that's sure to turn heads. The Syro bricks are basically when Lego meets neon lights, but smarter. Forget boring flat lighting. These modular Syro bricks snap together in endless ways, letting you build anything from pixel art to full-on 3D sculptures. Want to see your ideas shine? Of course you do. These bricks light up, turning your designs into a glowing masterpiece of your choosing. Unlike most modular lights that are stuck in 2D, this set uses bendable connectors and angled fixtures to break into third dimensions. Stick them on the wall, place them on your desk, or split them into groups for synced effects. With app, RF and cable controls, plus 16 million colors and music reactive modes, your space just got a serious upgrade. If you stream or game, the Logitech G Litra Beam LX is like having your own personal spotlight, without the harsh glare. It lights up your face with natural-looking tones, while the RGB glow on the back sets a cool vibe with millions of colors. Adjusting it is a breeze. Just tap or hold the buttons to tweak brightness, color temp, or the RGB settings. You can even control it through Bluetooth with the G-Hub app. Furthermore, it's slim enough to fit on any desk without cramping your style. Long streaming session? No worries, it's built for that. Tired of your coffee cooling off faster than you can sip it? The Ember travel mug might be just what you need. With its beefed-up battery, your drink stays at the perfect temperature, right between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 145 degrees Fahrenheit, for up to 3 hours on a full charge, or even all day with its cool charging coaster. You can tweak settings with the Ember app or just use the touch display right on the mug. And if you're always misplacing your stuff, you can even locate it using Apple's Find My. Plus, its spill-proof push-to-open lid means no messy accidents, and you can sip from any side. Just a heads up, it's hand wash only, so a little extra care goes a long way. The Torras Coolify 3 isn't just a neck fan. It's like strapping a mini climate control system to yourself. The sleek carbon fiber design gets even cooler, literally, with color-changing cooling plates that shift from blue to orange as the temperature rises. It blasts cool air around your neck, head, and back with next-level tech, making old-school fans feel outdated. The 6,000 mAh battery keeps you chill for up to 13 hours, and fast charging means less downtime. Bonus, an app lets you tweak settings like a personal AC. Comfortable, stylish, and seriously effective, this thing makes summer way more bearable. VR just got a serious upgrade. The Vive Ultimate Tracker brings your real-world moves into virtual reality with pinpoint accuracy. No base stations, no hassle. Just connect up to 5 trackers with a Vive wireless dongle and you're good to go. Thanks to AI-powered self-tracking and ultra-wide cameras, it maps your movements instantly, making everything feel way more natural. Whether you're dodging, dancing, or diving into action, this compact tracker keeps up without missing a beat. And the best part, it works with standalone and PC VR, so you can enjoy seamless, low-latency tracking wherever you play. Want full body immersion? Add a few more trackers, ditch the controllers, and step into a whole new level of VR freedom. If the Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro was any more stacked, it'd need a warning label. This beast of a phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Basically, it laughs at lag. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display is buttery smooth at 165Hz, bright enough to blind you, and tough as nails with Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Air triggers? Check. Cool LED animations? Of course. It's surprisingly slim, water-resistant, and has a cooling system so good your hands might stay sweat-free. The camera setup isn't just for show. It's got a gimbal stabilizer for rock-solid shots, and with a 5,500 mAh battery plus 65-watt fast charging, you're never stuck waiting. Gamers, this one's a no-brainer. See ya!